To download Rainmeter, you just go to rainmeter.net and hit the blue download button right here. Your download is going to start in the top corner here. When it's done, you simply click on it, select your language, hit OK. You can keep it on the standard installation. Make sure the 64-bit version is checked and hit install. And now you go to the bottom corner of your desktop and click on the little raindrop, which opens Rainmeter. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of pop-ups here from Rainmeter that are defaults. You want to get rid of those. So you hit the little drop down here on active skins. See, the first one here is the clock. Hit unload and do the same thing for the rest. Now they're all gone. And now you can go to visualskins.com. I'm going to put this link in the description of the video as well. And I'm going to do this clock right here. So just click on it. And there will be a lot of ads and download buttons all over the place. Ignore those and go to the blue one down here. Right underneath it says mond.mskin. It also shows you the size. Click on that. And when it's done downloading, click on it again. And make sure all these are checked. And hit install. Now I'm going to open Rainmeter again. And right here now we see Mond. Let's hit the drop down. And we have clock right here. So you can hit the drop down on clock and then click on the clock.ini and hit load. And now you can see the clock right here. And down here you can also modify it. So if you want to make it draggable, keep on screen, save position, snap to edges. And then here you can also set the transparency, and on hover you can also set it to hide, fade in or fade out. Let's minimize this and we can drag it right to the middle. And it's that easy. If you want to grab any more skins, you do exactly the same thing. And it's as simple as that. If you want to grab more things, you can go back to the browser, to visualskins.com. I'm going to go back to all the skins, and there's a lot of different things you can download here. So just go through the list. If you want any of these, go through the same process, click on it, hit the download, open it up, install it, and it's going to show up. So one thing that is slightly different from other apps is that Rainmeter shows up in this little icon tray down here. So you always got to open it up that way. And whatever you download, just like Mond did right here, is going to show up in this list. I just did the same thing for player, and now I have the player right up here. I can drag this to the bottom here. I can have it kind of everything in the center. As you can see, it even has a progress bar. Obviously I have nothing playing, so there's nothing showing up right now. And you have the same things down here again that you can change. And you can also edit the settings. This takes you into the code. So let's say I disable draggable right here. You're going to see that reflect there. So right here now you can see draggable equals 0, and all the ones that are disabled are equals 1. And that's really all there is to it. It's not very complicated, and you can add a bunch of different things that you can't do by default with Windows.